I'm Mikey. Oh, this is a song, Speedo, about freedom. Hey, yeah, go. Me, I prefer to be free moving when I swim. No extra clothing to wear me down. So good. Beach is where I like to work on my sun-kissed skin. But I make sure I am evenly brown. Oh, you see me passing by wearing my small swimsuit. You cannot believe your eyes, I'm almost nude. As I'm walking by, I'm shaking it like jello. Oh yeah, I'm confident in the skin that I'm in, and I will wear what I want this summer because I have been dieting like crazy. I'm on palio. I wear Speedos when I'm at the beach. You see me wear my Speedos. Cover your kids' ass cause I am wearing Speedos. I am feeling fresh like I'm an ad for Mentos. I wear Speedos when I'm at the store. You know I'm wearing my Speedos. When I'm doing cardio, I'm wearing Speedos. It feels super breezy like I ride tornadoes. Swimming in my Speedos. Why do people look at me when I'm wearing my Speedos? Boarding shorts, man, I hate those. Cause the deadlines look so gross. I love my Speedos. Working on the bros, but I cannot resist them machos. If you need socks, say I got you. I will just wear it commando. When I'm in my Speedo, I feel fabulous. Some might say I dress scandalous. You cannot make me cover it. Just feel the beat, get over it. I make sure to always do my squats, so I have bam bam. Everyone is talking because they can see my bam bam. I don't have to worry cause I don't have the lines on my legs. Only the lucky ones to see it, but in private. I am Asian and I cannot go hair on my body. I walk around with my big butt that I got from my mommy. Cause I love my Speedo. Don't hate, give me kudos. Manila, Toronto, they call me Mikey Bustos. When you see me passing, I don't like harassing. Look, but don't touch unless your family or my cousin. Cause I wear my Speedo, control your libido. My goods are protected like an armadillo. When I'm in the ocean, I feel good emotion. Because all the sun causes some real exfoliation. Yeah, I wear Speedos. Get up on my way cause I'll be wearing my Speedos. I have more grease on my body than Mykonos. I be extra hot like I'm a dipper nachos. I wear Speedos. I'll be on a beach in Philippines with titos, oiling up my body while I drink mojitos. And I always feel like I'm a darn casino. Swimming in my Speedos. Wherever I go, you know I'll be wearing my Speedos. It even acts like a pocket. I had my money inside it. I love my Speedos. I love my Speedos. If you are a boy and want to walk around in Speedos, I obviously recommend it. It is even a chick magnet. I wear Speedos. My OOTD on Instagram is Speedos. When I Facebook Live, you know I'm wearing Speedos. I will make this article of clothing viral. Yeah, cause I wear my Speedo. Control your libido. My goods are protected like an armadillo. Recommend it. It is even a chick magnet. I love my Speedos. Cause I love my Speedo. Don't hit, give me kudos. Manila, Toronto, they call me Mikey Bustos. Love the Speedo. Like and share this with your amigos. I wear Speedo.
Laro tayo! 1! Sino tayo? 2! Sali kayo! 3! 4! Pamela 1! Pamela Mela 1! Pamela 2! Pamela Mela 2! Pamela 3! Pamela Mela 3! Pamela 4! Pamela Mela 4!
Pamela 1, igalawang katawan. Pamela 2, kumembot ng ganito. Pamela 3, parang kinikiliti. Pamela 4, ng ganito. Pamela 3, parang kinikiliti. Pamela 4, gagayain ang F4.
Sumayaw, gumalaw na parang
Nagtutunaw, gumiling, gumiling na parang nagtutuling. Wag lang sumakit ang ulo nyo.
ito'y para sa mga pati na matatama, para rin sa matanda na di nilalayo ang madaling gayahin.
Subukan nyo ito at papayag kayo.
Pamela 1, Pamela 2, Pamela 3, Pamela 4.
Sumayaw, gumalaw na parang
Nagtutunaw, gumiling, gumiling na parang nagtutuling. Wag lang sumakit ang ulo nyo.
ito'y para sa mga pati na matatama, para rin sa matanda na di nilalayo ang madaling gayahin. Hindi aantukin,
Subukan nyo ito at papayag kayo. Pamela 1, igalawang katawan. Pamela 2, tumembot ng ganito. Pamela 3, parang kinipiliti. Pamela 4, gagayain ang F4.
sumayaw, gumalaw na parang
Nagtutunaw, gumiling, gumiling na parang nagtutuling. Wag lang sumakit ang ulo nyo.
Pamela 1, igalawang katawan. Pamela 2, tumembot ng ganito. Pamela 3, parang kinikiliti. Pamela 4,
Gagayain ang F4.
sumayaw, gumalaw na parang
Nagtutunaw, gumiling, gumiling na parang nagtutuling. Wag lang sumakit ang ulo nyo.
Oh, ang galing, galing ko sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, bibong-bibo gumalaw. Nung bata pa ako, tinuruan ako ng lolo ng tango. Sa doble boogie rumba, itinuro ng tatay ko. Pinagsama-sama ko, kaya ako ngaya'y bibong-bibo. Kaya ang tawag nila sa akin, Totoy Bibo. Oh, ang galing, galing ko sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, bibong-bibo gumalaw. Lagi akong niyayaya tuwing may piyesta, bentang-benta. Lahat lumuluwang mata, pag ako'y nakikita palapit na.
It's a bird, it's a plane. No, it's only me. Remember M, remember E, remember me. Totoy Bibo.
Oh, ang galing, galing ko sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, bibong-bibo gumalaw. Di ko mapigilan yung move
I know.